Hello friends, welcome to Pawan Soft channel. This is the second video of JavaScript crash course. So in this tutorial I am going to download the Visual Studio Code to edit the JavaScript code. So I am going to download and install the Visual Studio Code. So let's start. Open the browser and click Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code, you will see this link. Click here and download for Windows. You can click here also. So I'm going to click on here. So when I click here, it will start to download. You can see here it's downloading. So once done, so we'll come back. So now I'm going to pause the video. So almost download 65%, 67%. Once done, then we'll install the Visual Studio Code. We'll set up. Then we'll see the some code of JavaScript. So let's see. Download completed. So let's go to the folder, download folder. This is the Visual Studio setup, Visual Studio Code. I'm on my desktop, so let's double click on this. When I double click on this, so this pop-up will come. So accept the license and then click on next and then next. And then if you want to create the start menu folder, you can, otherwise click on next. If you want to create the desktop icon, so you check this checkbox and then click next, then click on install. So it will install. Then finish. You can see this is the Visual Studio Code and this is the welcome message. Okay. Open a folder, then go to desktop, and here I am going to create one new folder called JavaScript. this is my workspace JavaScript. Okay, this is my JavaScript folder. So create one file. To create the new file, to create here other new folder, you have to click here. So I am going to index.html. so this index.html is opened. So write simply click this and emit. So this will give you the complete path of HTML. So you can code here also. So inside the body you write script. Inside the script tab you can close the script. CRIPT. Okay, and here write document dot write welcome to JavaScript example on VS Code editor. Okay, and save and go to desktop and double click to open on browser. Right, so this will show you whatever you written here. Welcome to JavaScript example on VS Code editor. Welcome to JavaScript example on VS Code editor. Correct. So in this tutorial we have seen how to download the Visual Studio Code and how to install the Visual Studio Code, how to create the folder, how to set up the workspace, and how to create the HTML file, and how to code in Visual Studio Code. So that's learning something from my channel. So please subscribe my channel and please comment how I am explaining the JavaScript. So thanks for watching.